I'll be honest with you guys, making YouTube videos consistently is very difficult. Once in a while, you kind of lose some motivation and then it comes back in like a wave and it goes away and it comes back. And sometimes on my YouTube channel, you might see that I don't post for like 6 months straight. And I just want to let you guys know that probably means that I'm working on something on the background and you should stay tuned because I will have something for the channel at some point. That being said, today we're going to be installing the brand new Venom kit on a Shoei GT Air, a rather dirty one. We're gonna have to clean this guy. It's a matte black with a graphic and yeah, without further ado, let's get to the install. Oh, I caught it! How's that for an overly unnecessary cleaning sequence? Anyways, let's begin with the unboxing. This is the red Venom. It might look a little orange depending on the screen that you're viewing this on, but in person, when it's on and when it's off, it definitely looks red. On an install difficulty scale, 1 being extremely easy, 10 being extremely difficult, I would rate this probably a 2. It's not gonna stick perfectly all along here. This part right around here is gonna be lifted, and that's totally okay as long as the part after and the part before it are sticking to the helmet. We're gonna put the controller on the back. There's tons of surface area for the light strips to stick on. Should be a piece of cake. So the first thing I like to do is clip on the mount to the controller, plug in the side that I'm gonna be working on, and I kind of do like a little test fit just to see where I can place it. So now that I'm happy with where I'm gonna stick everything, I'm gonna actually unpeel the 3M film backing. This adhesive is weather resistant. It's the same stuff that GoPro and Senna use. It is very durable and very reliable, very sticky. So we're gonna peel it off. I'm gonna gently press it, just gently in case I wanna move it a little bit later. Just gently so it sticks. Oh yeah, actually, we can unpeel this. Oof, so satisfying. All right, let's do a halfway check-in to see if we actually... Oh, thank God my camera didn't fall. Whew. It's this guy. I tried to walk away, tethered to the camera. This guy's still working. That's what happens on this channel. I destroy things. Okay, as I was saying, let's do a halfway point check-in to see how this looks in the dark. And in a 3, a 2, and a 1. Ooh, yeah, okay. I think that looks pretty sweet. Let's go over here, this little dark corner. Dude, that is sick. On the matte black, it actually pops really well. Okay, I'm happy with this. Time to do the other side. Let's go. If you guys are wondering why I'm putting the LightMode decals on both sides, it's not because I want to whore my brand out. It's because when I go to film, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of assholes stealing my content and pretending to sell real LightMode kits. So if they're gonna steal my stuff, at least they gotta deal with my logo on the side of all their videos. If you want this product, there is only one place to get it, and the link is in the description below. Drum roll, please. Oh yeah. This is the red Venom on a Shoei GT Air. There's the side view angle, the front tilted down, the other side here, and the back. What was I gonna say? I always forget what I'm gonna say at the end here. Oh yeah, yeah, I remember that. It was Instagram. So if I don't post here enough and you want more content from me, you can follow me on Instagram at Mr.LightMode. Yeah, that's it. Let's go to the night shoot. Cheers.